Check trade count. Want to manage how many trades your EA opens? Let's learn how to use the check trade count block in FXDreema. This block checks how many open trades exist on the current chart, symbol, or across the account. Before allowing the next action, you can limit trading by setting conditions. For example, if trade count is less than 1, then allow a new entry. If trade count is greater than or equal to 1, then do nothing or close positions. Use the filter by type to count only buy, sell, or pending orders. Also set magic number to target only trades by your EA. This is perfect for preventing overtrading, double entries, or managing hedging systems. Pro tip: combine it with buy now or sell now blocks for controlled entries. That's the check trade count block. Simple but powerful. Follow for more FXDreema logic hacks and visit my channel, MQLrobot EAS.